Has a torque dust extraction. Some OKAMOTO 124N Akigar, new in 1989. It's got the filtration system, coolant pump, tank, tooling, manual, wheel balancer, extra wheels with an extra hub. There's your spanner for taking the wheel off. Wrenches in here and such. Lightly used, folks. They just don't come any nicer at us in 89. We're going to watch your incremental down here. There we go. I got them set really narrow. I'll set them even narrower so we can see a bunch of all right. Let me go around the back of the machine. It's got a Walker fine line 1224 chuck with a Walker variable chuck. I'll put it right up to your spindle motor. Really quiet. It's just how you like them. It's wired 220 3-phase. Manuals. There's a cover for the chuck. It goes on the chuck. So everything will be in the photo. We got spec sheets. Brand new wheel here. This one's never been on. We took it out of the box. We'll put it back in the box. These are used. Another hub. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't know much else to say.